Today we are going to see number patterns. Students, you have already learned pattern by certain symbols. But today we will see patterns in numbers. Okay? Let's start with the first question. Find the next three numbers after finding the rule. So you have to first find the rule and then find the next three numbers. The first number is 4,500 and the second number is 5,000. So what can I say is, I can say that frog has jumped forward by 500 points. Okay. Now let's check out if the frog is following the same pattern or not. So if it follows moving forward by 500, our next number should be 5,500, and it is. So frog is following the same pattern. That is, he is jumping forward by 500 points. And then he is again jumping forward by 500 points because I am getting 6,000 here. Okay. So my rule will be increase of 500. And hence my next number would be 6,500. Plus 5,000 would give me 6,500 plus 500 would give me 7,000. Plus 500 would give me 7,500. Okay. The next question, 8,220. And then the next number is 8,020. So by observation, I can see that the 2 in the hundreds place has turned to 0. So I'll say that is a reduction of 200. Okay. So first we'll check out whether the frog is moving forward or backward. It is moving backward by 200 points here. And then we will see whether it is following the same pattern or not. So let's make him move backwards by 200 points again. So my number would be 7,820. Yes. So it is moving backwards. Then again backwards by 200. I'll get 7,620. Okay. See students, you don't have to calculate the whole number by having the subtraction process. Just you will have the visualization of one digit. Okay. And you will get the answer. So my rule here would be reduction of 200. My next number would be, see what I am telling you is just visualize 2 below 6. Okay. And 6 minus 2 would give me 4. So my next number would be 7,420. Then again visualize 2 below 4. So 4 minus 2 minus 4 would give me 7,220. Then again you have to visualize 2 minus 2 will give me 7,020. Clear? The next number is 3,450 and then 3,500. So my frog is again moving backwards. Yes? It's moving backwards? No. It's moving forward by 50 points. Okay? And then the next number, we will see whether it is following the same pattern or not. By moving forward by 50 points, I would have got the number 3,550. But that is not the case. We have reduced the number. So I think frog is now moving backwards. Yes, no? It's moving backwards by 25 points. Yes. 500 minus 475 will give me 25. So it is moving backward by 25. So what did the frog did? It moved forward plus 50 and then minus 25. Okay. So now he move forward by 50. Let's check it out if he follows the same pattern. 3,475 plus 50, that is 5 under 7. 5 plus 7 will give me 12. 2 and 1 carried over. 4 plus 1, 5. Yes, 3,525. It is moving forward by 50. So the frog is following the rule of plus 50 minus 25. As it has moved forward by 50, now it would move backward by 25. So 3,525 minus 2, 5. Okay, 2 under 10's column, 5 under 1's column. 25 hoga minus, so I'll get the number 3,500. Clear? Now I'll add 50. So write it here 50. So it will give me 3,550. Then minus 25. So 50 minus 25 would give me 3525. Clear with it, students? Let's move on to the next question. It says that what will be the 8th number in the pattern? And the numbers are 5690 and then 5680. 90 के बाद 80. So it is reducing by 10 points. Frog is moving backwards by 10 points. Now let's check out whether it is following the same pattern. 80, then moving backwards by 10.70, then moving backward by 10.60. Yes, so frog is moving backwards by 10 points. Okay, we found the rule. But in this question, we don't have to find out the next number, as in the first question. We have to find out the 8th number. Okay, so there are two methods to do that ways to find the answer. First, you can do is you can find the 5th number, then you can find the 6th number, then the 7th, and then the 8th number. But this process would be little time consuming. So I would give you a quick way of doing it. Okay, as you have to find out the 8th number, so you will deduct 10 7 times. Okay, why 7 times? Because after deducting 7 times, you will reach to the 8th number. Okay, so you have to deduct only 7 times. And the frog is moving backwards by 10 points, so I'll deduct 10. And I'll not deduct it from this last number, that is 5660. Okay, I'll deduct it from the first number, that is 5690, because the frog will jump from the first number till the 8th number 7th time. Are you getting, students? Imagine what I'm telling you. Okay, so what we will do is we will deduct 10 7 times. That is, we will deduct 10, 10, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. So my answer would be 5620. Okay. Don't make a mistake of reducing 70 from the last number. You have to reduce it from the first number. Clear? Now, students, it's time for fun. It's your too funny time. Yes? In the last video, we had a puzzle which said we see once in a year, twice in a week, and never in a day. What is it? What is it? See, it is the letter E. Now see, in the year, we find it once, in the week, we find it twice, and in the day, we never find that. Okay, clear with it? Now, Batuk is here again with a new question in his mind. Let's see what he has in his mind. Wow, it's a number pattern. Number pattern with a question mark. So you have to find the answer and let me know by your comment section. Okay, the answer here also is in the question itself. Observe it keenly. You will get the trick by observing to the diagram. Okay, till then, enjoy your time and study well, students. Thank you.